Hello everyone, welcome to my demonstration of CTSE lecture on chatbot. This project was developed for current trend in software engineering module. Today I will show you how this AI-powered chatbot can answer the question about course material using advanced NLP techniques. And this assignment requires to build chatbot using LLM that can answer the based on CTSE lecture note. And also first let's look at the technical setup. The system several important import several important Python libraries include LangChain for Rack pipeline and HuggingFace for LLM. Like in here, you can see that I import Python libraries for my system, and also in document processing part, I set up a data directory for include that PDF in my system. Can read both PDF and text file also, and also I include some features for my system. It is the system automatically detects the available hardware resources. It found a GPU which will significantly speed up the process, and also the code is designed for work on CPU as well, but it is some so slower. And in here, I create some sample content for answering the question if data PDF is available in that data directory, and also in that documents are loaded in here. Both PDF and text file also can load, and also the process document for right in here, and also is split that document are split into chunks, and also I create a embedding that vector store. And the heart of our rack system is the vector database. We use lightweight but powerful embedding model for convert text into numeric representation. This embedding allows the system to quickly find relevant information when question asked. And also here there were load actual language model. The the system is intelligent select an appropriate model based on available hardware. For powerful GPU setup, it's load Mistral 7B version 0.1 for high GPU, and also is on CPU though it's I use distinct GPT-2 as model. And also I create some sample custom prompt template for QA with better instruction. Here are the instruction and template for that my chatbot. And also I create a QA chain with better error handling system. And also I create enhance the chat interface function with error handling. Here is the some sample question are also you can see. And also I create some test question for test my chatbot. That question and answers are also displayed here, and also the interface for my chatbot, and I can also the clear chat history using my interface. This is the my normal interface for my chatbot. In here, we can type the question, and using that ask question button, we can analyze that question and get in the answer. Uh, in here, you can see the answer for that question based on my lecture material, and also that using that clear history button, we can clear the our ask question from that history. And if currently not added documents are available, we can add it to data directory and again load for my chatbot. Uh, Thank you. This is my video demonstration for my CTSC assignment 2.